Soft ambient music fades in. Welcome to Body Does Go, where your mind, body, and choices level up. Let me ask you something. Have you ever done something and immediately thought, why am I like this? Maybe you sent a risky text. Maybe you said yes when you meant hell no. Or maybe you cracked a joke so awkward it is still living rent-free in your brain years later. Yeah, same. But here is a thought, what if regret is your enemy? What if it is your secret weapon? Philosopher Søren Kierkegaard says life can only be understood backwards, but it must be lived forwards. Regret is just your brain as a way of trying to make sense of the past while you rest stumbling through the future. See, regret is like the quality control department of your mind. It is there to review your choices, learn from mistakes, and make sure you don't do the same damn thing again. In psychology, this is called counterfactual thinking, imagining alternate versions of how things could have played out. Sometimes it sounds like if only it had done it differently. Other times it is a woo that could be gone way worse. Then so, people who reflect on the regrets, not obsess over them, but learn from them, actually make smarter choices moving forward. But the ones who just doing it, they get stuck in what we call the regret loop, spinning in circles, trapped in what ifs. So how do we break the loop? How do we regret less and grow more? First, reframe it. Think of your past self as a well-meaning but under-level character in a video game. They made choices with what they knew at the time. So instead of saying I messed up, say past me did their best with the tools they had. This is called self-compassion, and it has been shown to help people bounce back way faster than beating themselves up ever could. Second, let go of the idea that there's a perfect choice. Regret loves to sell us this fantasy that somewhere there was a right move and we missed it. But plot twist, that perfect option? It never existed. Every decision comes with trade-offs. Even not deciding is a decision. And the more options we have, the more regret we feel. It is called the paradox of choice. So the next time your mind says it chose wrong, remind yourselves there is no perfect path, only the one you own. Third, try the 5G rule. Es que yourself will deceive in 5 years from now. The awkward thing you said last week, not even a core meme for anyone else. So if it won't matter in 5 years, don't give it more than 5 minutes of your energy. And finally, flip regret into fuel. Instead of in it as punishment, treat it like a tutorial level. It isn't trying to hurt you, it is trying to teach you. And neuroscience backs this up, reflecting on regret strengthens the parts of your brain responsible for decision-making and emotional regulation. So yeah, it feels like pain, but it is actually growth in disguise. Regret is proof that you care about your impact, about your future. It means you're retrying. Just don't let it hold you hostage. Use it, grow from it, and make choices that future you will thank you for. And hey joyful's face, just do what Marcus Aurelius says, waste no more time arguing about what a good person should be. Be one. So what is one regret you're ready to let go of? Let us talk in the comments. Music fades out. This is Body Does Go Langes. Health, mind, movement, forward.